What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on post notifications. Today, we got something different in the mail. It's gonna be from the brand Suprent. They sent this to me, I believe a couple days ago, and I'm excited to use this behind the chair. It's something different. But we're going to dive into this and let you guys see what it looks like, and also get it behind the chair, let you guys see how it operates. Now let's go ahead and get into the box and see what we're talking about.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, everybody, so we have the Suprent Pro Beyond Master. As you can see there, you got the Phantom name of the clipper there. On the side here, it says, everything in the process makes who you are. So we're here to witness the birth of Masterpiece, Suprent Pro, the best partner of masters. And you got a QR code there at the bottom. On this side here, Suprent Pro, the Phantom hair clipper, 8C666VX, brand Suprent Pro, motor 6800 RPM, power supply input DC 5 volt, 1 amp, running time 3 hours, charging time 4 hours, battery type lithium ion, battery capacity 2500 mAh, and more information about the company there. One of the cons to this is that I could see so far already is the runtime is 3 hours and your charging time is 4 hours. Typically within the clipper business right now, you have a higher runtime compared to the charging time. So that right there is one of the cons to me already, but let's not get too ahead of ourselves. We'll go ahead and flip this over and look what's in the box. So inside the box here, we're gonna go ahead and slide this out. It does have like a slide cover here, as you can see there. Phantom Suprent Pro. This is one of the magnetic flip boxes, so we'll go ahead and open this up like that. And on the inside, we'll let you see there. Here on the side, it says it's about daring to try and innovate. Also here, replaceable transparent cover. So I believe this is a different color lid to the actual clipper. Here we are. We're gonna open this up here. Yeah, so we got a completely clear translucent cover to the trimmer there, or to the clipper. So that's pretty cool. They include that. One of the things that Suprent Pro usually included with their shavers as well is an additional shaver head, which a lot of clipper companies aren't doing. So I thought that was a dope concept. If you haven't checked out that video, I'll leave a card at the top where you can click that. Go check out the unboxing to the Suprent shaver. We got the instructional manual here. This is pretty cool. Suprent Pro Phantom. That is the actual instructions, user manual, and all that. The warranty information, more information about the clipper. Put that aside. When we get to the clipper here, I'm gonna take this out, put it aside, and we're going to look at what's underneath and look at the accessories. First off, we have a cape, I believe this is. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up here. It is already torn a little bit, but that's cool. It's all good. We're gonna open it up for y'all and let you see what it looks like. It is a elastic band with the little slides that go into each other, but it has the logo branding all over it. And of course, you can see there the Suprent Hair Care We Care. Gonna go ahead and throw this cape aside. Inside we have more accessories. Gonna look inside the box. We got guards and we got some other stuff. Let's take a look. Box is empty. We have gold premium guards here that come with the actual clipper. So as you can see here, they have the metal clip, which is pretty cool. On the back here, you can see 16 millimeter, number 5. On the front end here, 5/8 of an inch, 16 millimeter, number 5 guard, Suprent Pro logo on there. Very, very nice guards we have here. Got the 1.5, and then you have your actual half guard there. So charging cord, of course, more guards. And then you have a little clipper rubber grip thing that you can put over the clipper. So that's pretty cool they included. This is a different type of brush. I've never seen one of these before, but you know, I always say this in all my unboxings. I don't really use these to clean my clippers, but I will use this for color enhancement. I do use color enhancement to apply to beards and whatnot. This is a nice width to it, has a good handle on it, and it looks like it's gonna be easy to apply to beards. So I'm looking forward to using that. And then you have a screwdriver here, nice and nifty. We're gonna throw everything back into the accessories box and get to the clipper. So last but not least, we have the clipper here. Gonna go ahead and take it out of this protective plastic we got. There it is, the Phantom, the Suprent Pro Phantom clipper. It's got like this iridescent colorway to it, fades from black to purple, as you can see there, gold accents everywhere. It does come with a black stationary blade. Oop, turned it on too soon. Got the Suprent Pro blade there. It does have a gold cutting blade, as you can see. This is not a click lever, this is a floating lever. You have your power switch there, and then the LED indicator light underneath the actual faceplate here. So I will turn it on, let you get it here. So I will say this clipper feels very premium. It feels very powerful. It has a nice weight to it, but it is not too heavy. That is something that I feel is very, one of the things that I look for the most in clippers is the weight, how it's distributed. But also we do have the LED indicator light underneath there, like I said. So when I turn this on, you can see the LED indicator light underneath, and it turns red when it does need to be charged. You do have another faceplate inside the accessory box that you can throw on here. It's completely clear, which I think is another cool addition to that. A lot of clipper companies are adding that to their branding and to their boxing. But overall, I am digging how this clipper looks, how it feels in the hand. It doesn't have any grooves in the back or anything to help placement. Don't have no thumb indentions or anything like that. But overall, it does feel good. I will be using this behind the chair in future clips. We are going to get a demonstration of how this actually operates. It is not completely zero gapped, as you can see there. So I will get it a little bit closer before we actually use it. We are going to use this out the box. We're not going to modify nothing. Just get the blade gapped a little closer before we actually do some fade work with it. But there is the clipper, the Suprent Pro Phantom. Let's get it to the shop, see how it operates, and let you guys see how I feel about it.
What's good, everybody? We're at the demonstration portion of this video. As you can see here, we're gonna do like kind of a mid-drop fade on my boy here. We're gonna do some clipper over comb. We're gonna use the 1.5 to kind of set our debulk with that, and then we're gonna go ahead and fade the beard up. This is gonna try to encompass everything we can in this little demonstration portion of this video, so you guys can see overall how it operates behind the chair. Now, I will start off with the cons for myself. So for the first con, I will say that the charge time to battery life, I'm not a big fan of that. I wish that it was a shorter charge time to a longer battery life. For me, I don't like the floating lever. I've got so accustomed to click levers that it's very, I won't say difficult, it's just kind of not convenient to not have a click lever with this clipper. But the guards worked well. I did use them on a few haircuts, but for me, the magnetic guards from TPOB are just the guards that I go to. They are what I'm working with for my system. But this is about the clipper here. It debulks very well. It slices through hair easily. I can't complain one bit about that. It fades very well. The blade, it's a very good blade. I've used some Super Pro clippers before that were not as premium as this. I did use the Black Devil from Suprent. That was a good clipper. The Zeus I wasn't really a fan of, but overall it debulks well. You can see here we're gonna do a high taper on this client here. The pros, I have to say, I like the shape. I do like the blade. I like how much power it has. It is very quiet. So overall, if you're looking for something that's affordable, you can find this clipper on Amazon. It is, I believe, $129.99 on Amazon.com. Go check it out there if you are in the if you're in the market for shopping for a new clipper. Now, I do believe the RPMs for this clipper is 6,400 RPMs, if I'm not mistaken. But overall, I'd say I'd give this a solid 7 out of 10 for me. There's just certain things that I'm more, of either super bright colors or all blacked out. But for me, the purple, it wasn't my color. The gold accents aren't really my cup of tea. But overall, the performance wise, very, very good. How it holds in the hand, very good. The weight of the clipper is a solid weight. It's not too heavy. It's a good weight to it. Good blade, good blends. Can't really say too much about that, but you can see here for yourself the type of blend work that you can get out of this clipper. Now, they are a brand that is up and coming. I have done multiple different reviews on some of their clippers, the Zeus, the Black Devil, also a silver clipper they had dropped in a barber box, and also a shaver that they had dropped as well. So all those can be found on my page. If you go search through the videos, you can see all the super reviews that I've done in the past. But right here, you can see we're getting this taper nice and blurry on the side of my client's head right here, and it blends well. I cannot complain about the blade at all. But overall, those are my pros and cons for the clipper. I hope that you enjoyed this review and unboxing. I got tons more videos to come. I'm working on 2 tutorials and also a three-way clipper comparison, or versus, if you will, between the Babyliss FX Boost, the T-Pop X, T-Pop X clipper, and also the Coco clipper that they have as well. But that'll do it for this demonstration portion.
All right, y'all, so there's a Suprent Pro Phantom clipper. You guys seen how it operates behind the chair. You see what it's working like. If you did like what you see in the video, make sure you go copy it from Suprent. You can find them on Amazon.com. Just search Suprent Pro, and I'll leave a link down at the bottom as well where you can find that. You could also go to SuprentUS.com, I believe. I'll leave that here at the bottom. And also go follow them on IG. There it is right there, the Suprent Pro Phantom. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your post notifications. Until next time, God bless.